Hot Wheels just released the new for 2026 Porsche 911 Carrera T in Arctic Gray, and today we're going to be giving it a full review. Here it is, still in the packaging, brand new for 2026 in the Factory Fresh series. Out of the packaging, the first thing that catches my eye is obviously the Arctic Gray paint job. It looks phenomenal. Here's a quick 360-degree look. Right away, you can tell this die-cast car has great Porsche features, low stance, and that unmistakable 911 silhouette. Starting with paint and graphics, this one earns 4 stars. Arctic Gray looks phenomenal, and the tampos are crisp and clean. But 2 details hold it back from 5 stars. The side decal says Hot Wheels instead of Porsche, which breaks the realism a bit for me. The other is that my roof tampo is slightly misaligned. It's not a deal breaker, but collectors looking for perfection should definitely keep an eye out for this detail. Casting accuracy and quality is an easy 5 stars. Mattel and Hot Wheels nailed the Porsche proportions on this car. The hood lines, roof curve, and classic Porsche rear end width are all executed correctly. The real highlight for me is that the wheels correctly match the Porsche aesthetic and give the car a more premium look. Concept and theme get 4 stars. As a Hot Wheels mainline, it's naturally limited by its plastic base, simpler interior, and basic wheels. This Carrera T is excellent for a Hot Wheels mainline, but other premium die-cast Porsches on the market show that there's still room for this to evolve into an eventual 5-star score. Collectibility is a full 5 stars. It's a Porsche, it's a brand new casting, the color is perfect, and unlike a lot of Porsches, this one is obtainable for most collectors. This car is easily an early standout for the 2026 Hot Wheels lineup. Here's the final breakdown. Overall, this car scored an impressive 18 out of 20 stars, and I rated it as a must-have for any die-cast collector or Porsche enthusiast out there. If you agree or disagree with the score I gave this car, please drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts.